You guys can't see it. It's snowing. There's a blizzard. This is hysterical. You can kind of see it, I think. Here, hold on. I just woke up. Don't judge. Not going out there. I'm too scared. Perfect. That's really the only thing I made a video for. It's snowing there. Can you guys see it now? Okay. There's a blizzard. I don't know if you can see. You can see all the snow on the floor or on the ground. Like no one has drove past our street. This is the best thing ever. Oh, I know a window that you can see it better. Maybe this one. You might be able to see this one. Let's see. There now, can you see? Oh my gosh. It's so hard out there. If I go out there, I'm gonna get like blown 10 streets down. Oh, why can't I think of this? Okay, hold on guys. No, I got a better idea. Out there. Now can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. See, that looks so cool. Okay, and whatever the camera's picking up, that's not my voice. It changes the voice on the camera. There. Okay. Bye.